Let's start with number one, pre-approval. All right, pre-approval. This is going to be a big one because there's multiple ways to fund a fix and flip deal. One way is to find a small bank, a credit union, and they'll do what is called an ARV style loan. That's as repaired style loan. And let me give you an example. So if a property would be worth $100,000, the bank will loan you up to 70% of that $100,000. Now, people in California, if you're watching this, I'm in California, I want you to understand that you can just add a zero to this number. So the bank will loan us $70,000 on this deal. Now, if we were to purchase this property for $50,000 and it needed $20,000 in rehab, I know what you're thinking, properties aren't this cheap. Well, in the Midwest and South, they still are, but I'm showing you the numbers rounded, okay? So if we're to buy the property, purchase price, PP, rehab, right here, we're all in for the 70K, which is 70% of 100,000. Where am I getting the 100,000? What I'm doing is I'm going to go into this deal knowing that it could be worth 100,000 if I were to fix it up to the neighborhood standards. Does that make sense? So we bought this property for a deep discount, added value to it, created a spread. We created a $30,000 spread, 30% in this specific scenario. And that would be your projected gross profit margin. Now that's with a small lender and a small bank, and you can do a very similar situation with a hard money lender. So the hard money lender is going to fund this thing a little bit differently, but those are two options on how to get pre-approved. One, with a small lender, you're going to want to go get pre-approved first. With a hard money loan and a hard money lender, you're going to have to get your LLC and your company set up, and then you're going to go talk to them. All right, so another thing with pre-approval is we got to call the lender. So the first basic steps is getting in touch of somebody with money. That is what pre-approval means. Pre-approved means I'm approved for X amount of dollars to go out and hunt for property and deals to buy them, right? And so we have to get pre-approved in order to have the ammunition to go take down these beast of deals that is out in our marketplace. And so that's what pre-approval means essentially, is that we're pre-approved for X amount. Like at the very beginning, you may get pre-approved for $100,000. You may get pre-approved for $200,000 or $300,000. And what you're going to be required to do is send a lot of your documentation, your finances, into the lender in order to get pre-approved.